fresh out of the box, PSBDG01 Bravo. It is the latest offering from Ryobi of a 1/4 inch chuck die grinder. This is speed number 1, speed number 2, speed number 3, speed number 4. It does come with a wrench. It has a little catch to where you can turn this to where it latches in. Most mechanics are going to grab something like this and either put it in a drill or a die grinder. I'm just going to run this at number 1 on the steel pulley. Level 1 got us right where we would want to be anyway, so I'm not too worried about that. You kind of get the point though, heading in the right direction. You can kind of get the idea. With not a whole lot of effort, you have a before and an after. So far, so good. Let's take number 1. So that's not too surprising. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do.